On the periphery of the solar system, there is a little world bound by toxic ice lurking amid the great abyss of space. A giant shadow covering the stars from sight is immovable over its rugged horizon, and the dim sun slowly traverses the sky. The sun rays here are not able to dissipate the semi-darkness that the frozen plain wrinkled with bottomless crevices is perpetually shrouded in. This is Pluto, a lifeless kingdom of rock and ice covered by a perpetual shadow. Let's find out more about it on Sotile. The sun would only seem like a fairly bright star if you stood on Pluto's surface, despite prior photographs indicating that something was going on Pluto, which has an average temperature of negative 240 degrees Celsius. Many people assumed it was a frozen and relatively dead world. That is, until NASA's New Horizons expedition arrived in 2014 and changed our perception of this distant, mysterious body. Pluto appeared to be full of mountains, plains, and maybe snow, rather than flat and monotonous. We could estimate the height of these peaks at over 4,000 meters, which is approximately 13,000 feet, the height of the American Rocky Mountains, by calculating the magnitude of the shadows. The glowing areas could be frozen nitrogen blankets or perhaps nitrogen glaciers. NASA uploaded this photo on Insta with a caption that says,
"Taken by our New Horizons spacecraft at a distance of 22,025 miles, 35,445 kilometers, this image shows Pluto's true colors, including the heart of the dwarf planet, a Texas and Oklahoma-sized glacier made of nitrogen and methane."
The greatest Hubble telescope photos were only 150 pixels wide. The new images are significantly more detailed. They disclose a variety of scientific information when enhanced in the softwares. Dark streaks on Pluto's plains suggest that winds likely blow across the planet's surface. Scientists who reviewed New Horizons photos discovered a daily weather cycle comparable to Earth's. Pluto, on the other hand, has a daily nitrogen cycle rather than surface water being evaporated by the sun and dropping as rain. As Pluto rotates, nitrogen is heated and cooled down. Pluto and its moon, Charon, as seen by New Horizons, offered new details on the dwarf planet and its moon. Pluto and Charon make a strange pair. Both entities orbit around a shared center of mass in all planet-moon systems. Because moons are often small, this point is usually located within the planet, giving the impression that the moon is orbiting the planets. For Pluto and Charon, the center of the orbit is between the two bodies' surfaces, giving the impression that they orbit each other. Certain areas of Charon, like Pluto, appear to be free of impact craters. This implies that Charon evolved considerably more recently than previously supposed. The most surprising discovery of New Horizons was that Pluto appears geologically active. The surface of the dwarf planet is being renewed by some invisible process or processes. This has been compared to a lava lamp or a pot of porridge. Below, heating generates convection cycles, which push new material to the surface. The heat could be emanating from a subterranean ocean or radioactive elements. This could be a huge surprise because astronomers previously believed Pluto was too old to have kept enough heat energy for these processes to occur. It could indicate that all kinds of bodies, including those thought to be dead, distant, and cold, are instead alive with secret activity. That was the video, guys. Like, comment, and share the video to show your love and support. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.